Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. My name is Alexandra Черепанова, you know me, and here on this YouTube channel I'm talking about art and about philosophic meaning in this art and about everything around. And today I want to show you watercolor lessons, and it's totally free and it's on YouTube. So, and I think it's last one or two watercolor lesson in this part. So I means I stop making lesson on this way and continue on different way, maybe next week or maybe later. I don't know, not yet. And of course, I very enjoy your comment and want to know what you think about this, and maybe you comment and tell me what you want to know, how draw or everything around this. And also today I show you how make still life, and I have idea maybe I make some landscape. It's not like this landscape, it's I show you how make sketches on a realistic way, landscape like this. And also maybe in this way too, maybe I'm show you some technique how make abstract work. So in general like this, but this block is almost done. So I'm sure you my still life today. It's my still life what I want to make here for you. So the point is, it's super easy. Super easy to make this. Everybody can do this. It just depends, simple ways, and little pumpkins. Actually, I don't know how this pumpkin survives. It's from Halloween and it's still here. And actually, you see these lessons really later. Now it's December, and it's just starts in December. And of course, you see this maybe 1 or 2 months later. I don't know. So uh, the point is, it's really very easy to make still life like this. I'm always show you very simple way. So guys, let's have a drink. I'm joking, it's just water. Just kidding you. I'm also decorate bottle for Christmas sometimes. And of course, what we need for watercolor, we need, you guess what, watercolor, water of course. I use this one. It's actually a thing for kids because they can break this, but it's not necessary. And also watercolor paper. Watercolor paper, it's have a little texture, and thanks this texture, it can be not so wet. Also, you must have brushes. It's not necessary have so lots of brushes, by the way. For you, on begin enough small one, middle one, and big one. It's enough. And it's a squirrel, by the way, and it's very fluffy and interesting if you touch this. So, in first, I'm advise begin with pencil because watercolor is complicating. So I move here just little something because before we starting by pencil, I'm advised make your watercolor wet. What I mean, because it's watercolor, it doesn't work without water, you know? You should put just little water in every palette. Just one drop. It's a careful way, and if you don't like careful way, you can make like this one. It's okay if you don't mix light and dark colors, as you wishes. So, next thing what we're starting to do, guess what? We're starting to do what we're doing before. If you watching my different video, you know we're starting always with composition. We make it like a sketch and then continue on with other thing. Composition is most important thing in art. I'm making a few lessons about this, so you can watching this on my channel. And also, not only you can, of course, buy a lesson with me one by one, and I told you more about everything. Why? Because it's more time, and you can ask me whatever you want, you know. Composition is, in general, is a science about how subjects looks better in your piece of paper. What position is most good and how they looks together good, how make some subjects more important and some not. So, in general, I'm done with my composition. So what this means, I don't finish the drawing, I'm just starting. Actually, I don't start in drawing, I'm just sketches. So it means I decide the vase stay exactly on this place, the pumpkin exactly on this place, the pens exactly on this place. So I'm just making this choice. You can make absolutely different choice. And whatever I'm doing, don't repeat after me, repeat on real life. Of course, if you if it's not a lesson, especially step by step. It's not lesson step by step. Now you making similar still life and make how you want this. And also it's just for knowledge, for understanding how exactly is going. Here we're making how we're making before with this. You also can find this video on my channel. But I repeat some part of this. The point is we're making middle line and then check yourself left and right and trying to understand is good or not. I think maybe make it just a little more. You know, actually, I show you just few still lives, but actually, we should spend years and years just with still life, just with one material. So I think 1 year with one material maybe it's good, because actually traditionally, yes, traditionally it's can be 1 or 2 year with one material. If you want to make real classic art and something like this, it's make just because you make a lots of practice, lots of practice. It's impossible without this. Modern art needs more creativity and more stuff like this. So I'm also sketch this one. Now I'm just watching and repeat. Actually good for you if you, I think 80% watching on your real still life and just 15% watching here on your drawing, and maybe 5% watching on your palette. It's like classic stuff, you know. You repeat from nature everything how it's going. I don't make it really realistic because I have limited time, and I'm just show you technique, show you material, and I make it in easy way. But this practice, what I do now, I'm twice make for everyone. You can see what I'm doing. Make everything lighter. It's extremely important. It's extremely important every time when you make something with pencil and then with pastel or with watercolor or with acrylic oil, whatever. Because we don't need, uh, with some reason, somewhere, just part of your pencil can be, and it looks like a judy. We don't need this. So we clean everything. Don't try to make it fast. I make it fast for demonstration, but you don't. You're trying to make it really very carefully. Actually, on this video, I'm making lots of stops on on camera because in watercolor, in classic watercolor, we should wait when it starts to be dry. Watercolor have a lots of different way. Most popular two of they, it's classic watercolor, and we're making level. It starts in be dry, then we make a new level, then new and new and new. It's classic watercolor. And next one, it's called alla prima or wet watercolor. And on this way, we don't wait in nothing. We just make it really quickly, and it's starting to be uh, it's completely different. It looks like a sketch. So first thing what we should to do, maybe should do it by pencil in first time. Just make some moonlight places like this one, like gray. It's not necessary, but it's good for you if you make this. Next step, we're making all color what on this still life most strong and most important. Actually, it's subjectivity, it's your choice, and also it's good if you mix this. We make it extremely transparent, really very, very transparent. I think it can be blue, like a sky, and also maybe just little pumpkins. This is how its color looks like. So maybe I put just little more blue. And I cover everything by this color. Only most light places I don't cover. Actually, it's not necessary because it's not exactly white, but it looks much better if we make this. And you can see I make it really very, very transparent. I don't show, maybe my camera don't show you this, but I see absolutely good all my pencil and everything what I drawing before. But if you don't see this, don't worry, because just trust me. So then I should wait in when it starts to be dry. Also, don't forget, push here something, put here something, because if you don't, your paper starting be like ocean, you know. So just you need put something on angle. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and you maybe make something like I made, or just want to watching this. It's your choice. And I'm advise put your still life and make something like I made. And it's starting to be dry next time, and we continue. Actually, I'm almost done with watercolor in first time when we make first level, because it's more complicated to wait when it's starting to dry, of course. So I hope you really enjoy this video, and if so, push finger, push like, and of course subscribe, and you know what you should to do. Push bell and push whatever you want to push. And so see you next video, guys. Bye.